Tuesday, 16th of August, small update for the DAZA. Why the M157, the sleeved one, is here? I'm gonna explain at the end. Now, block here, bearings here. Like I said, this is the blockage for the oil gallery. Somebody asked how you can use this one, how you're putting in place, let us say, and securing it. All right. There is a tool. This is like a rivet, actually. There is a tool that's holding here. It's pulling out. It's keeping this steady, and then this expands. This one is expanding here inside. This, it's been designed when it's sit in place, it's gonna snap, it's gonna crack by itself. You don't have to cut it or something. You're just pulling, and then when it comes the time and it's gonna be fine, this will gonna snap. I'm gonna show you on the previous engine to understand what I'm saying. Here, let us say, you see that this, it's not been cut, it's been stretched so much, and it's cracking here. And this, which one is blocking the oil gallery? It's always a little bit more inside. Okay, if it makes sense, if you can understand what I'm saying. So, and that's how I'm gonna do it. When it comes the time, you're gonna see. But like I said, this is the last one. First, need to be washed. First, I'm gonna check the clearance for the crankshaft my bearings, thrust washers, to see that everything is fine, it's beautiful. Then the final wash to be clean of everything. Then pressing. Actually, no. First, I'm gonna mount the crankshaft and this kind of stuff, and then I'm gonna press the blockage for the oil gallery. Just double check at the end that it does have anything inside. Then yesterday I finished with the piston connecting rods, are here in a nylon bag, all together prepared, piston rings, everything, the connecting rod bearings in place. Okay, the crankshaft is here. I have to wrap it again a little bit better. All right. So that's the story with the DAZA. Now, it came from the machine shop, the M157, the sleeved one. That's in front of DAZA. I have to finish this one. When I'm gonna finish with this, and then we're gonna start with DAZA. There's not gonna be a video for this engine. It is what it is. So that's a small update, standing by for the DAZA. Yep, actually, first it's this block, then it's this DAZA, and then number 3 it's this DAZA. So for this one, I'm waiting only the head gasket. I have already prepared the cylinder head. This is different cylinder head. That's different cylinder head. This cylinder head is for this engine. So I'm waiting the head gasket and the gear for the high pressure pump, because this is a new generation block that it gets the bolts from here, and it's not the old one that comes the bolts here. There are two types of gears. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, that's the parts of M157, all this. So M157, DAZA number 1, sleeved DAZA, and stock DAZA. Stock DAZA, I'm talking about stock cylinders, not being sleeved by any means. 0 kilometers new. That's the update. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Let me continue here.